to our Manlangit Nature Park adventure, food for your soul. So for you to enter in the Manlangit Nature Park gate, you need to have your wristband. And you can enter the main entrance and enjoy the scenic and the spectacular view of the Manlangit Nature Park. This is my first selfie in the Manlangit Nature Park together with our team, the Sikwhatteam, who will also experience the nature park of Manlangit in Sitio Manlangit here at Buenavista Agusan del Norte. So we will just enjoy what can the Manlangit Nature Park can offer us. Here we can see one of the greatest views of the park is the spectacular view of the Butuan Bay and the city proper, Butuan City. Yes, Ma'am Mel, what can you say about the park? Are you excited to experience the Manlangit Nature Park? Ma'am Berfield, peace be with you. I hope you enjoy your experience here. One of the best view for pictorial session here at Manlangit Nature Park. Are you ready, Member Freya, for the picture? This time we are all set for this picture. We have at our background the Butuan Bay. That was so great. Where are you, Sir Kenneth? Why are you not here? Sa problema na to, Ma'am J. Samantaan ni Padulong. Mabuti pa to si Ma'am Eileen, ready to climb. Our first road trip going to the ostrich farm. Photo op with Sir Ricky. We are planning to buy how many hectares, Sir Ricky, at the back? Are we going to buy this one and build our own dream house? This time we are at the ostrich farm. We are having our feeding time with the ostrich.
Wala na kayo, mapil akong kamot. O sa'yo na to.
Ma'am Eileen, ayusin mo yung pagpapakain sa mga ostrich dyan. Baka tuklawin ka. Where are you, Sir Kenneth? The ostrich are looking for you. The ostrich are shy, Sir Ricky. Ayusin mo pag-picture sa kanila. Who else who gonna take pictures with me? Sabi ng ostrich. Ma'am Melissa, anong nangyari sa'yo? Sabi ni Ma'am Berfield, upo ka, may kalaban sa likod. Chill naman chill si Ma'am Berfield sa mga dolphins sa kabundukan, ha? Would you love to kiss the dolphins? The candidates of the Miss Universe in their casual attire. Tamang blocking lang ng Sikwhatteam, social distancing. Where is Sir Kenneth again? Where are you, Sir Kenneth? Why are you not here? At last, nakita na rin natin si Sir Kenneth. Naka-blue pala siya, kaya hindi siya masyadong nakita. So, I can see he is so happy. We are showing our wristband. That's an evidence that we are entering the park legally. Nagbayad po kami. This time, kainan na talaga. So we are so hungry and we are now entering the restaurant. I hope that we will enjoy their food. They can offer us different snacks and we really enjoy our food. Look at our faces here. It seems that we are so happy. After having our stomach being full and enjoying their sumptuous food, We have now our tour around the flower garden. We enjoy the different species of flowers. Here we roam around and take some photos and enjoy the views. And we keep on running on this part and having our photo shoots. Look at Ma'am Eileen. Look at here our individual photos of the landmark as we enjoy the scenic view of this landmark. I love Manlangit, and we seems start to loving the Manlangit Nature Park. So let's start jumping high. So this is your moment, husband and wife, Sir Ricky and Ma'am Jen. Enjoy the view and stay in love. Where is your partner? But it's okay, I think you're enjoying the park. I love Manlangit Nature Park. Jump high, Ma'am Mel. Reach high. So we really enjoy our tour here at Manlangit Nature Park, and we are so happy sharing this video to you. I hope you also enjoy watching our tour here at Manlangit Nature Park. See you again, and let's have another session. Thank you for watching.